Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a Play by Sephora unboxing. I unsubscribed from this and resubscribed to it about 4 months ago. And I've just been receiving these and I figured let me go ahead and do unboxings with you guys, seeing if you guys are interested in seeing these types of videos. I guess we're just gonna pretty much test the waters and see if you guys want me to continue doing these. I thought about canceling it again just because I don't really use the products that I get in the boxes. But I just kind of have like BoxyCharm, you know, you like one or two things and you just can't unsubscribe to the subscription box because you have FOMO, and that's me. I have seen a couple unboxings on this month's box. They do have different variations, so I guess we'll see what I got. I haven't looked in here, so we're definitely going to be doing an unboxing together. If you want me to continue doing these unboxings, definitely give it a thumbs up. Also, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. I do also have a giveaway going on, so if you have not checked that out, definitely check it out. It will be linked down below. So if you want to see what I got in my Play by Sephora box, then just continue watching. So I haven't opened it. I was going to, but I wanted you guys to know that I haven't seen what's in my box. Again, I have seen a couple unboxings, but I don't know what's in my box. I know somebody got a mascara from Sephora that we got in our box like 2 months ago. So we always get this little pamphlet that tells us what products we got, and then you also get this little Beauty Insider card that you can redeem 50 extra Beauty Insider points in store. You can't redeem them online, which kind of sucks, but you can redeem it in store and get 50 extra Beauty Insider points. I have redeemed them a few times just because Sephora is like 3 hours away, so I don't really go to Sephora every month. I usually shop online. So it looks like this month's box says kick up the color, inspired by the fresh florals and warming weather. Now is a great time to transition your look and add a bit more color. Try something bold like a new matte lip shade or an unexpected bright eyeliner or mascara. So we used to get like little baggies that were, I don't think I have any right here, just like cloth material, but now we get these like plastic type bags. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pick the first product. This is the foundation, Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation. This is in the shade Y335. I actually have the full size of this foundation. The full size that I have, it's not my shade, so I don't know if this will match me a little better. Maybe I can mix this with the other one that I have in full size. I haven't used it in a minute, and I don't recall ever thinking that this has been like a holy grail foundation for me or a favorite foundation. A couple months ago, boxes ago, I got a Estee Lauder like little sample foundation, the double wear foundation. I haven't used that in years, so I was excited when I got that. I haven't tried it yet, but not bad, a foundation. Next product in here is this Shiseido Ultra Sun Protection Lotion. So this is SPF 50, it says, for face and body. Water resistant for 80 minutes. So this is actually going to be perfect. I'm going on a cruise and this will be perfect to take with me. You know, it's good for getting in the pool and also just wearing it. So this will be nice. I think that's good. So far, not bad. Next product is the mascara. So we did get this mascara in our a couple boxes ago, and I actually still have it in my new makeup drawer. I haven't even tried it out. This is the Sephora Lashcraft Big Volume Mascara, and it just looks like that, and this is what the wand looks like. Again, I haven't tried this out, so I can't tell you whether if I like it or not, but I know a couple of the Sephora unboxings I've watched, they were kind of not happy because it felt like we were getting repetitive things. Another product in here is this It Cosmetics Confidence in a Cleanser. This is a nice size. Have you guys tried this out? I actually already have a sample of this exact same size I got in, I don't even remember, I think it was a actual Ulta order. I haven't tried out the other one I have, so now I have two, so if I like one, you know, I can use the other one and travel with it. I'm not upset with that. Next up, we got the Versace Bright Crystal Spray. Olfactive family, it says it's flower, fruity, and musky. I like musky scents. My favorite perfume is actually Elizabeth and James Nirvana White. It smells good. It's not bad. I like it. So we got that perfume. And then it looks like the last product we got is this facial radiance pads to help exfoliate, tone, and brighten. I've never tried these, but it's kind of thick. I don't know how many come in here. Oh, it's 10 pads. Oh, wow. You can definitely try this out and see if you like it. And if you do, you can purchase a full size. I don't even know how many a full size has, but you get 10 pads in here. That's cool. This is definitely great for travel. So it says wipe pad across face, neck, and décolleté once or twice daily after cleansing. Ooh, nice. Like, I got a lot of good stuff for traveling. Like, at least these 3 items definitely I can take traveling with me, and obviously these 2 as well. This box was not bad at all, you guys. Let me see what the full size of that First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pad. So it's a daily treatment pad that exfoliates, tones, and brightens all skin types. Ooh, perfect. Like, this will save me having to take my toner, my essence. Awesome. I'm definitely going to take this on my trip. Revive dull skin and create a smooth canvas for makeup application, and these safe and effective pads that are lactic and glycolic acids. Natural ingredients also help tone skin and deliver a radiant complexion. It doesn't say how much it is though for a full size. Kind of like BoxyCharm tells you how much it costs, but I guess those ones are more full size than actually sending samples. I'm not upset with this box at all, you guys. I think it was a pretty good box. Even though we got this in a couple months ago, we use mascara every day, so we can definitely use that. I am not upset with what I got. I think all the stuff I got is actually perfect for that I'm going to travel. And yeah, I actually really like everything that I got in this month's box. I guess Sephora Play will survive another month of me being subscribed to them. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. If you guys want me to continue doing my Play by Sephora's, let me know by giving the video a thumbs up, or also down in the comments section below. Are you subscribed to Play by Sephora? Again, let me know down below. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to enter my giveaway that I have going on. It's going till April 1st, I believe. So only a few more days left. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!